Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can build a Shopify store using Pagepilot. Now this is going to be possible thanks to the help of AI, which is going to generate like AI product pages with images and copy, ready to run ad copy for Facebook and TikTok or whatever you use, and it's going to be entirely built on Pagepilot. So you're not going to need any copywriting or Photoshop or theme coding. So let's go step by step on how to do it. So guys, just one clarification before we start. Pagepilot has two parts. You have the core tool, which is going to be Pagepilot itself. This is going to be like a product page generator. So you're going to give it a link and it's going to build you one page. But for the full store shell, okay, like the home page, the theme, and the starter products, Pagepilot is going to offer you a companion tool called Store Pilot. Okay, so it's different stuff. Okay, so first of all, you can start a free trial, which is what we're gonna do. So let's click in here. Now this is gonna ask you to sign in using your Google account or any other email, and that's gonna welcome you to this particular dashboard. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just gonna click on stores, and I'm going to click on build my free AI store. This is very important. Now you're just gonna click in here. Let's go. And as you can see, now this is going to redirect you to Store Pilot, which is the second part of the Pagepilot that I was talking to you about, okay? The one that is going to allow you to build the actual page itself instead of the products. So just start by giving your name and email, and now you're going to have to select the specific niche, okay? In my case, I'm going to focus on the pets. So let's go to next. Now you're gonna have to give it some different options, starting with your name, okay, which I'm gonna give AI to actually create for me, Whisker Wave, as well as selecting the store language and the front colors, okay, which I'm gonna select the pink ones, and I'm gonna go to the brand identity. And now guys, this is very important because you have to click on here, and that's gonna take you to the Shopify link in which you're gonna have to subscribe or to create your account in order to have your Shopify account ready to go, okay? I did this, and you have a free day in Shopify, so this is not going to be of cost at all, at least for the first 3 days. So that's great. Okay, so after you do this, you can just click on Next tab, connect your store to AI. And now, guys, you're going to have to copy the exact link of this store in here, the Shopify store that you just created. So just copy that URL because you're going to need it. And then just click on Connect My Store. So let's go. That's going to take you to the page basically, and you can click on install. And finally, we can just take our store to the next level, and it's going to start building it. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. It's going to try to analyze your page and your name and things like that, and try to build like a full page, ready for you. Okay, so when you're ready, just click on Publish My Store, and that's going to be ready. But before that, you're going to have to click on Shopify on this link, and that's going to take you to your Shopify preferences when you have to remove the password protection. So just, disable this icon, this password protection, and just click on Save. And that's going to be it. Now, when you click on View My Store inside of Pagepilot, you can totally see how it looks here. As you can see, it produced a full store in under a couple of minutes, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Now, what I'm going to recommend you do just to make sure is to click on Stores and click on Connect your Shopify store. Okay, and just copy the link of your Shopify store in here. And that's going to make sure that you have access from both ends. Okay, so far this store is going to be pretty generic. It doesn't have anything on it. But what you have to do is you have to provide different products and you have to create products. So how are you going to do this? Is by going to Products, clicking on Pages. You can also click on Templates, by the way, but that's going to be more generic. But yeah, just go to Pages and click on Create First AI Product Page. And here you're going to be able to paste any product URL you can imagine from AliExpress, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, or Etsy. All right. Or you can even grab it from your own Shopify store if you have it already. And what you can do is you can kind of make a version, like an AI version of it. And not only that, but you can also create different ads for Meta and Google and different AI images in case that the ones that are created for your page do not look as good or as professional. You can just come here and using your credits, your AI credits, you can just literally create something. And the good thing is that you have different products and different models, such as Nano Banana Chi and GPT Image 2. And of course, you always want to make reference to the specific products you're going to build this image for. So for these, you're gonna have to click on product, select product, and then search for the product you created before. That's gonna make it specific. But guys, if you actually want to edit this page, you cannot do it inside of Pagepilot. You're gonna have to do it inside of a Shopify store. So for these, just come to online store, click on this three dots menu, and just click on edit. Okay. That's gonna open the whole page in like edit form. And you can just click any text, any image you want, and kind of modify it, okay, by just literally changing it and also selecting from different options you have in here on the right side menu. So if you create an image inside of Pagepilot, what you can do is you can replace it by going to here, clicking on change, and now you're going to be able to select it from your library once you download it from Pagepilot, okay, and that's going to be pretty much it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Pagepilot. As you can see, it's pretty complete, and it's gonna let you build your e-commerce from scratch, from the page creation itself to also the products, okay, as well as the copyright and the different ads. So that's pretty much it, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.